Math 7, Quarter 3, Unit 3, Data and Integers. Lesson 6.1, Data Collection and Sampling Technique. Part 1. Statistics is the study of collecting, organizing, and analyzing data. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng data? So, data refers to information such as facts and numbers used to analyze something or to make decisions. At meron naman tayong dalawang klase ng data. Ito yung quantitative and the qualitative data. At ano namang ibig sabihin ng quantitative data? So, quantitative data refers to data that can be represented by numbers. So, ito yung mga information o data na pwede nating mabilang. Ano ba yung mga halimbawa ng quantitative data? So, ito yung ibang halimbawa. Height of students, weight of a mango, age of a teacher, number of students, temperature of the room, test scores, distance from home to school, time spent studying, speed of a car, number of chair in the classroom. So, itong mga datang ito ay halimbawa ng quantitative data dahil sila ay pwede nating bilangin o mabilang o may katumbas na numbers. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng qualitative data? So, qualitative data pertains to information that can be grouped into different categories. At narito naman yung halimbawa ng mga qualitative data. Hair color, gender, type of cell phone, favorite subject, eye color, type of weather, taste of food, level of satisfaction, type of car, brand of shoes. So, yan ang mga halimbawa ng qualitative data. Meron naman tayong dalawang klase ng quantitative data. Ito yung discrete data at saka continuous data. Discrete data is data that can be presented by whole numbers, usually collected by counting. So, narito yung halimbawa ng mga discrete data. Number of students, number of books on the shelf, number of cars in a parking lot, number of siblings, number of teachers in a school. So, kung napapansin natin, pag sinabing discrete data, whole numbers ang kanyang bilang. Ano, bawa yung 40 students, 25 books, 18 cars, 3 brothers or sisters, and 35 teachers. Lahat sila ay whole numbers. Ano naman ang ibig sabihin ng continuous data? So, continuous data is quantitative data that where there are infinitely many possible values between any two given data points. So, ano ba ang mga halimbawa nito? So, ito naman yung mga example ng continuous data. Height of a student, 160.5 centimeters. Weight of a person, 55.8 kilograms. Temperature of the classroom, 27.3 degrees Celsius. Time it takes to finish the race, 12.45 seconds. Distance from home to school, 4.6 kilometers. So, ano bang napansin natin dito sa continuous data? So, kung ating titingnan maigi, ang kanyang mga equivalent ay hindi eksaktong whole numbers. Example, 160.5. So, meron siyang fraction of 1/2 or 0.5 or meron siyang decimal na 0.5. Yun namang weight of a person na 55.8 kilogram ay fraction din siya, no? Meron siyang sobra, hindi siya eksaktong whole numbers. So, yan ang katangian na nagbubuklod o nagdi-differentiate sa discrete at saka dun sa continuous data. Pag sinabi natin continuous data, meron siyang fraction or meron siyang decimal. While dun sa discrete, siya ay whole number lang. At sa susunod nating video, ang atin namang didiscuss ay sampling technique.